In this video, I want to introduce you to a very interesting concept to prepare your center of gravity and to know what to expect. We have here a plane that is with an electrical motor. You have a fuselage, a wing, an elevator, a rudder, and the propeller. In OpenVSP, you have feature very interesting. You can see here that you can add different type of element. A fuselage, it had been done. Wing, of course, is the main wing, but also I made another wing for the elevator and another wing for the rudder. It's all the same spicy. But you can put a propeller, which I did, a hinge, and many other things. And if you want to implement a mass about a specific object, so the object will be the wing, the motor, the battery, the receptor, the altimeters, the servo, and so on, you could add a blank. So let me show you what is a blank. So I will position myself at the root. Yes, so it's done. So I will say, okay, this is the servo. I will put a W to know that it is about weight. W, so the servo fuselage. I think it's quite clear. And now what I could do, I will basically put the center of gravity of these two servo. I suppose that they will be around 260 millimeters. And the mass will be 15 grams. And now it's all. So you do this for every element. You do this for the fuselage, for the wing, for the elevator, for the rudder, for the servo, for the motor and ESC, for the battery, for the propeller and the cone. What I have altimeters, receiver, and we are pretty ready. So you start to guess here. I have a weight stab, so 7.5 grams. It is located 820 millimeters. It's a rough estimation because for the moment I didn't really take accurate measure, but just to give me an idea and to show you how it works. I have the mass here of the wing fully equipped. I have written 280 millimeters. So, okay, that's the concept. You put every element. And now what you can do, very simply, you will compute this. Is working. So now the square red you have is about the center of gravity. Each colored slice are representing a portion of the weight. So you can guess that, of course, the max weight is about the wing. And now we just have to read the number, and the number are 320 millimeters. So on the x-axis, actually my center of gravity will be 320 millimeters. So of course you have to figure out about your plane, the real dimension, and if it is matching the real aerodynamical center of the wing, so where you will need to be located. So right now what I can say is I will have to put more weight in the front. This is what it means for me because my aerodynamical center of gravity is probably, let's say, around 260 or 50 millimeters. I will have to make the rear part lighter, or I will have to transfer some weight in the front, or to add some weight in the front. So it's a very quick manner, very easy to get an idea what's going on. So each time you are making a part and you have the real weight about this, you can figure out what you need to do to get the right gravity center.